Mom, where are you?
I'm in the kitchen.
Mom, where are you?
I'm in the kitchen.
What are you doing?
I'm making soup.
What are you doing?
I'm making soup. Can you help me?
Yes, I can.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can.
Don't run. The soup is hot. Don't run. The soup is hot.
Where are you?
I'm in the bedroom.
Where are you?
I'm in the bedroom.
This is for you.
Thank you.